Hello, guys. This is Insane with Fanny here, and let's do this. Let's play again on Roblox. I wanna play Brookhaven. Brookhaven. Because okay. Well, this is a skills right now, and so let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. I know I'm a profile. Oh wait, look, this is my profile here. I might choose the car. This car right here. This is my car. This is my super car. My speed. 220. Oh, wait. How can I buy this? I might choose the color. Okay. Oh. Wait. Who are you? Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Why is this guy doing? Why he want to take me to? What he want? I'm going fast. I know. Actually, I have a new house to do. Oh, that's the same lady. Moved out the way. Okay. Hey, stop! No! Stop it! Stop it! No, stop. Stop. Close the damn door. Oh my God! The bomb just. Okay, let's go to my house, and we have to see the pool. Oh my God! Someone's here again. Who's here? Oh. Okay, let me see. You have a room? I have a roommate. Oh, you. What are you doing here? What are you doing? What's this? Okay. Oh no! Don't rob me. You robbed my place. Help me. How can she get in? What's my car doing? What are you doing? Hey, stop it! Why are you going? Do not steal my car. Well, but guys, I'm not gonna do this. Let's go on our server. But okay, this like another. So I might go another one. So let's play the railfanning. I might put the another railfanning like yesterday. So let's play this. Also, we have I have a schoolwork. So we're gonna do this. So let's go. The train is arriving. What is it gonna be a BNSF unit, a Harwich unit, or you can? That's a leading. What's this? Whoa, this is walking, leading. Walking. Let me get the catch here. Okay, let me get the catch. Good. Look at that, that's a nice catch. This is the last shot. So this shot is actually wrong. Oh look, it's a Harwich unit. This is a unit right here. This is a Harwich unit. And this is walking thing. Look at the shot here. So listen. Woohoo, the walking and a Harwich unit. Do. Tanker cars. What to do? Woohoo. Tanker cars leading. It's a hopper. Okay guys. So thanks for watching. So bye.